So you want the missing link, something that can prevent you from getting ill, getting colds, viruses, and bacteria. This could be it. This is called garlic, but you wouldn't take that if you're going out on a date. Many of you get bloating, stomach pain. It permeates your sweat. You don't like it. I have the solution today, and guess what? It has 3 times the antioxidants effects of this, and it tastes somewhat sweet. It's a bit of an acquired taste, but it's called fermented or black garlic. And yes, it has a lot of the same benefits for your heart, for your skin, for your glow, for your joints, and for your mind as regular garlic, of course, with 3 times the benefits. Check this out. This is my #1 reason for taking it before we dive into the meat of this video. Check out this 2020 study on the antiviral potential of garlic. Preclinical data demonstrated that garlic has potential antiviral activity against different human, animal, and plant pathogenic viruses through blocking viral entry into host cells. This is key. Inhibiting viral RNA polymerase, reverse transcriptase, and DNA synthesis, and immediate early gene transcription. Now they go on to say, clinical studies further demonstrated the prophylactic effect of garlic in the prevention of widespread viral infections in humans through enhancing the immune response. This review highlights that garlic possesses significant antiviral activity. You see, black garlic is raw garlic that is fermented under controlled high temperature and high humidity conditions for several weeks. In fact, mine is fermented for 120 days. It's fully organic certified, and I love made in the USA. But why would one take black garlic over regular garlic? Remember, if you're getting benefit from my videos, like and subscribe. Well, there's many reasons, but truth be told, selfishly, I take it as an immune booster. As you know, I'm around a lot of people all the time. Everyone wants a hug, they want to shake hands, they want to talk. I've taken it for years now because I just can't get sick, get the flu, get the cold. There's too many days off I'd have to take, and I don't miss a day. So I take black garlic. I've now made it available to my patients and in turn you. But don't worry if you can't take raw garlic, because black fermented doesn't have those side effects that you might get with raw garlic, and I'll mention those in a minute. You see, both raw and black garlic, it contains compounds that help fight germs, viruses, and bacteria. Whole garlic contains a compound called alliin. A-L-L-I-I-N, alliin. And when garlic is crushed or chewed, that turns into allicin with a C, and that contains sulfur, and that gives garlic its distinctive smell and taste, and what makes people, in some instances, not be able to take it. But when you ferment it for those amount of days, people then don't get the side effects of, you might know, reflux, you just don't feel well, your stomach's not right, you get gas, the bad breath, all of those things. You don't get those with black garlic, and that's why I love it so much. I take a couple cloves a day. Most importantly, when you ferment it, the antioxidants go up. They increase. These compounds have been shown to boost the disease-fighting response of some types of white blood cells in the blood. And as you know, white cells are the first ones to fight off infection, viruses, and yes, those who know the immune system, certain types of cancers. And I'll show you a study at the end of this video to that end. But for me, it's definitely cold and flu season when I'm taking most of my black garlic. A clove in the morning, clove in the evening. This is what it looks like here. I'll place a link in the more info below, but I want to give you 5 other reasons to take black or fermented garlic and the health benefits that people enjoy from them. Number 1, fermented garlic contains more antioxidants. The fermentation process causes black garlic to contain substantially more antioxidants than the raw or even the cooked version. It's partly because the allicin, that compound I talked about, gives garlic that pungent odor when it's crushed. It's converted into antioxidant compounds like alkaloids and flavonoids, as the product ferments. Antioxidants are compounds, as many of you know, that protect your cells from oxidative damage. They would otherwise lead to disease, illness, and inflammation or inflammaging, and people mostly consume antioxidants by way of plants and food, and now, of course, black garlic. To back this up, a 2015 study found that the total antioxidant activity increased significantly in black garlic during the aging process. Number 2, it helps regulate blood sugars. Uncontrolled high blood sugar in people with diabetes, or more commonly in this country, insulin resistance, it can increase the risk of complications like kidney damage, infections, and heart disease, all kinds of inflammation processes. A 2019 study showed benefits when consuming a diet high in fat and sugar, and they used an extract of black garlic and found what? Lowered cholesterol, decreased inflammation, and importantly, appetite regulation. That will slow down that whole cascade of bad inflammaging events. Number 3, it's likely to reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that black garlic reduces indicators of heart disease, including levels of blood total cholesterol, LDL, which many consider bad cholesterol. It's really a vehicle. Triglycerides, and it may also increase your quote-unquote good cholesterol or your HDL. The more you can do to stay off statins, in my opinion, the better. One animal study compared the effects of raw and black garlic in rats recovering from heart damage due to ischemia, which is the lack of blood flow to the heart. Researchers found that both raw and black garlic helped open up the circulation and protect the heart from damage. So they both work, but of course, we know there's less side effects, so more compliance with the black garlic. Another study found that black garlic extract helped reduce the total blood fats, triglycerides, and cholesterol in rats fed a diet high in fat. Elevated levels of these usually indicate, of course, a risk of heart disease. Number 4, compounds in black garlic may protect brain health. Extremely important, especially in today's society. Black garlic may help prevent inflammation that can impair memory and worsen brain function that occurs over time. Scientists suggest that the accumulation of a protein compound called, and you'll know this from all your research, beta amyloid, which causes inflammation in the brain and increases the risk of Alzheimer's disease. One study found that black garlic could reduce brain inflammation caused by this beta amyloid and even improve short-term memory. Finally, anti-cancer properties. Several studies indicate positive effect of black garlic in fighting cancer cells. In a test tube, mind you, but they studied 21 volunteers using black garlic extract and showed a stronger immune-stimulating antioxidant and anti-cancer activities moreover than raw garlic extract. In fact, researchers found that black garlic extract solution was toxic to, which is a good thing, toxic to lung, breast, stomach, and liver cancer cells within 72 hours, so rather quickly. I love black garlic. If you want more research, click the links below, and I put links to my product if black garlic is something you're interested in. Stay tuned, keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.